Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to follow and unfollow people on LinkedIn. So you can see I'm on my home page here. So as I scroll down, LinkedIn will show you different people that you might be interested in. So if I like what this guy's saying, I can click on the follow button next to him. If I want to unfollow him, I can just click again and unfollow. If it's a little time later and you can't find him and you decide you want to unfollow, you can go to your network, and this is where you can find who you're following and your followers. So at the top here, you can switch between who you are following and your followers. So the people I'm following, I can scroll down, and if I don't want to follow them anymore, I just click on following and click on unfollow. If you want to find people to follow, you can go back to your home page. So say if you're looking for a job as a virtual assistant, say, so we can use the search bar and you can switch between different things. So you can people related to virtual assistants, that will probably bring up people who are virtual assistants, or you can look for companies that might use virtual assistants, and then if you want to follow them, you can click follow. So this is how you build up your community in the area that you're maybe looking for a job. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.